Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today we're going to be doing some baked chicken in the oven, and I'll be baking some wings. For today's recipe, we're going to be using some salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. I also have some chicken seasoning, also have some smoked paprika and some dried parsley, my olive oil, and some green seasoning. Let's get right to seasoning. First, I'm going in with the olive oil. Now, I'm not going in heavy because this is wings and it already has a bit of fat on there. Followed by the green seasoning. And now I'm just going to transfer the pieces of chicken into my baking dish right here. The chicken is now in that baking dish that I'll be using, and now I'm going in with some onion, bell peppers, and seasoning peppers. Now the seasoning peppers don't pack any heat, but they do pack a lot of flavor. So I'll be adding these in now, and I'm also adding my kicking chicken seasoning on top of that. Now one more thing I do have to do is add butter. And that's it. It's going to marinate, like I said, for 2 to 3 hours. And then into the oven it goes. The oven is at 375. And this is how it looks 35 minutes later. Now I am going to leave it uncovered from now on for the next about 15 to 20 minutes. Now it did sprout its own juices, as you guys can see. Back into the oven it goes. And this glaze or sauce is what I like to add to my chicken when I do my baked chicken. And it's made of ketchup, barbecue sauce, and a little bit of brown cooking soy sauce. The oven is now set to 400, and back into the oven it goes for 15 minutes. And thank you guys so much for tuning in. My baked chicken in the oven is all done. If you guys like my content and you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're always informed when I post. And I look forward to seeing you guys tuned into the next one.